everybody, to the Act Now Environmental Activism Conference.
Some of the most important things I've learned here at the Act Now program, a conference, is that there are other adults and organizations willing to work with us and really put in their time and help us as youths to achieve the things we want for our future. And that's very important to me.
Your advocacy for change can be premised not only on the world we leave to future generations, but on the world that you will inherit. Advocacy on behalf of your future selves. As long as you are working and advocating, there's hope. The people united can never be defeated.
The most important thing that I have learned at this conference is that there is a possibility that we all could become united and fight this injustice act on our world.
You might encounter some people who wonder if this is real. And I'm going to break it down word for word on exactly what you should tell them. You ready? Ain't nobody got time for that. 97% of the world's climate scientists say that human beings are responsible for global warming. And every international science academy agrees. They say, the longer we wait to act, the worse the consequences will be.
You may think that we can't do much, we're teenagers, we don't have much responsibility, but we actually do, because when we have our children and our grandchildren and superstorms like Sandy are happening, we won't be able to control that, but we can do that now. We can make that choices now.
I'm a climate hero because I want to protect the earth. I want to make sure that future generations could have an earth that is not destroyed, it's not hot, it's not somewhere where they have to struggle and there's a lot of crime.
I'm a climate hero because I'm attending this conference now, and also I take action. I join programs such as Global Kids, Global Teens, the YMCA, who support my decisions as being a global activist.
Be climate heroes together.
Be climate heroes together.
Be climate heroes together.